Saan kung sunog yan?
Ito.
Patay tayo dyan. Ano yung nasunog? Anong parte yan? Motherboard?
Oh, motherboard ko, sir.
Mother bugger? Ano ba yan?
Mother talaga to.
Boracay at the moment, July 15, Wednesday, 9:30 a.m. Joel Jos Andrade here, and I'm on my way to a computer repair shop to have my laptop repaired because last night at work, my laptop suddenly shut down. So along the main road here in Station 1 is Boracay Tech, and this is where we are going. Right? No one's inside. Let me just message her. Yeah. No sleep yet, so I am kinda sleepy actually. Tik, where are you? I don't know where she is. She said that I come over at 9:30. She's not here. The shop is open, but it's closed. No one's here. So I guess instead of waiting here, let's go to the beach first. So along the main road, very near Boracay Tech, is an alley, this one, that will lead you to White Beach Station 1. This is Salsa Fusion Restaurant. The sun is out, the sky is clear. Beautiful day here in Boracay. Okay, so she's in a playa. Okay. This is Super Fab. This is where I get my facial. Hello. Hi. This is Blackfish. Hey, there. And this is White Beach Station 1. It is, again, high tide. Check it out. Oh, wow. The water is so near. There's no beach. What? Check that out. Ooh. Look at that. This is White Beach Station 1. Guys, it's high tide again. Woohoo! Man. Sir? Good morning. Sir? This is Boracay on a Wednesday morning. Hey guys, I got a message from Tik and she's already there. Let's go. This is a playa and beside it is an alley that will bring us to the main road. This is also where you find Patio Pacific. I don't know if I can bring myself to sleep later because I've been exposed to the sun already. And you know, when you're exposed to the sun, you become more active. So good luck to me. But I need to have my laptop repaired because this is my bread and butter. Yeah, it's not vlogging or content creation because my Facebook page is demonetized. So guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'm also building another page, the Boracay at the Moment page. So please do like and follow that page as well. Thank you very much in advance. This is the way to Patio Pacific Boracay. Here. And check it out, guys. This is the main road already. That's 24/7. I hope she's here already. So in front of Smoked Donenu, or the Korean Premium Barbecue, is Boracay Tech, and we're back. I hope she's here. Dick. Oh, she's here. Hi ka sa vlog ko sama.
Ha?
Hi ka.
Sige.
Hi Tik.
Hello.
Yan. Si Tik is the one in charge of my PC, laptop, and laptop. So for your repair needs, laptop, PC, go to Boracay Tech and look for Tik. May pag-asa pa ba yan? O kung tapos gagawin mo pero mahal,
Probably.
bibili na lang ako ng bago, ganun ba yan? Yun nga. Sige. Saklap. Wala sa budget.
Kamusta sir? Ano ka ngayon ha? Parang gloomy ka.
Nax, blooming. Ikaw rin kaya.
Hindi, ikaw. Buti ka. May... Ano ba ka?
Ang tulog kasi gabi yung work ko. Kaya, hindi ako nakakalabas. Ngayon.
Asan?
Tsaka tawag doon, sunblock.
Anong work mo sir?
On VA.
Pero di ba nag-ano ka dito ng mga... Parang nagmo-marketing content. Something ka.
Mga ibang businesses. Saan tong sunog yan?
Ito.
Pay tayo dyan. Ano yung nasunog? Anong parte yan? Motherboard?
Oh, motherboard ko sir.
Mother bugger. Ano ba yan?
Order talaga to.
So yung motherboard yung nasunog, hindi yung parang kung ano lang?
Hindi. Part siya ng motherboard.
Part siya ng
Component
motherboard.
siya ni motherboard.
Freakiness. Ano ba yan? So pagka, let's say, gagawin mo,
Hindi ko na ito masya magagawa.
o kunwari, sino gagawa?
Di ko lang sure kung meron di. Try mo sa Kalibo.
Kalibo.
Sir. Oo.
Tapos,
Yung may-
estimate mo magkano yun? Yung motherboard pa lang magkano?
Motherboard replacement. Ano ba itong unit?
Asus.
Actually, kalahati ng pagbili ng
What?
laptop. Yung replacement ng buong motherboard.
Oh,
Pero kung mga ayos-ayos lang, minimum ka ng 2.5.
2.5.
Mga ganun. Lalo sa ganitong case.
Two-
Papalitan tong ano na to. Etong
Tapos, gano'n na naman mangyayari. Ilang taon na naman yan.
ayun na naman.
So, ano yung recommendation mo?
Kung sa tingin mo, naka-ROI ka na din naman dito sa ano mo.
Oo naman, pero
Pero malala na kasi ako sa'yo.
malala. Gusto ko may ibang magsasabi sa akin na, oo, mas okay pag bumili ka na lang ng bago. Tama ba?
Tama, sir.
Kasi baka kinukonvince ka lang yung sarili ko ng gumastos ako.
Oo, sir, kung may budget ka, mas ano, hindi ka na ng bago.
Pero yung memory niya, may tumatawag sa'yo.
Saan na yan, sir? Eto, sir, dito yung mga files mo nakasave na.
Nakasave
Sa
naman.
SSD, tsaka sa hard drive. May dalawang storage ka.
Okay. Ay, yung battery, ano yun? Lumobo ba?
Lumobo konti.
Lumobo rin. Anak ng tip ko lang naman. So, tingin mo, ano? Kasi hindi yung sinabi ni ChatGPT.
Ano ka rin yan na bumili ka na ng bago?
Sabi niya, dalhin ko sa'yo.
Ah.
Kasi sinabi ko na ikaw yung, kunikwento ko lahat sa kanya. Sabi ko,
Hindi ko lang yun, kilala niya ako kung may data siya.
hindi ko alam.
Kilala niya si Burakan siya.
Sinabi ko sa kanya, ano, yun nga, una, nagtatanong ako ng anong okay na laptop. Kasi ganito yung nangyari. Kwento ko yan. Tapos sabi niya, bumili ka na agad, sabi niya. Pero wait lang, sabi ko, hindi ka naman, backup ko lang yan. Sabi ko, may PC ako. Actually, yung pupuntahan ko bukas, sabi ko, yung pinagbilihan ko ng PC ko. Ay, ibang storya na to, sabi niya. Ito na, may PC ka naman pala eh. So, bakit kailangan mong, ma-pressure na bumili? Pa-assess mo muna yan, sabi niya, kung magkano. Pero yun nga, kapag kasing mahal, hindi worth it, bumili ka na lang ng
Yun nga,
bago.
sir.
Kasi sabi nga niya, 8 years na din yung
Oo, kung 8 years na din naman. Kapag-include na siya ng matagal.
sa ibang tao yung 4.
Yung 4. Yung 4. Yung 4. Kasi apat lang sa'yo eh.
Ay, nako. Anong gagawin natin ngayon?
Ayun sir, pwede naman na tanggalin natin to.
Okay.
Para at least,
Makuha ko yung files. Okay. Tapos, itong laptop,
itong laptop, yun sa'yo kung ano mo na lang.
later on, pa-assess ko na lang ulit kung... Pero kung 2.5 lang, tingin mo, aandar yun?
Minimum siya sir ah.
Ah, minimum.
Kasi dalawa tong pyesa eh. Dalawang pyesa yung papalitan. Minimum yun.
Minimum. Oh, grabe, wala na nga akong laptop, pinasiraan ako. Bayan. Okay naman yung PC ko, wag lang mag-brown out.
Wala kang UPS?
O UPS na lang kaya bilihin ko, no?
Ang problema mo, pag nag-run out, patayin siya?
Yung UPS?
Oo.
Anong patay?
Ay, I mean yung PC mo.
Oo.
Nag-run out, patayin.
Oo, patay din. Yun lang bilihin ko kaya. kesa laptop.
Edit din. Ginagamit mo rin pa edit yun.
Ay, hindi. Hindi na muna ako mag-edit. Hindi man kaya mag-edit nun eh. Ikaw gumawa nun eh.
Ang laki, ang bis kasi mag-ano, sir, na yung nire-record na nila, malaki na.
Eh yung ano, pagka ginawa, kasi ano yun eh, 16 gig, tama ba?
Yata. Yung
Ay, 8 gig lang yun, 8
Yung
gig,
memory?
oo. Pagka dinagdagan mo siya, kaya pa?
ng
8 gig para maging
Yung RAM?
16,
pwede din.
pwede. Magkano yun?
DDR4 pa yun, di ba?
Oh, yata.
Parang.
Hindi ko na
Ayun na, sir,
maalala.
pero 4.5, yun yung 8 gigs, sir.
Ay, ito?
Yan,
Ito?
yan. 4.5 na yung price
4.5 na. Bili muna ako ng laptop na hindi pang office. So the final assessment is
Motherboard.
it's the motherboard. So I need to bring this to Kalibo if I want it repaired. Took out the hard drives sabi dito na. Okay. How much is the damage? Hi, this is it for now. This has been Joel Josandrada with Tick. Bye. Thank you for watching. Here now in White Beach Station 3. Check out the beach here in White Beach Station 3. It is high tide. It's Mandarin 8, White Sand. And I'm here to meet my friend, Natalie. Let's go to the beach. Morning! Thank you. Hindi guys, look at the sand here. It's so beautiful. And the water. Ooh. So my friend stays here in Sandals Inn, here in White Beach Station 3. This is where she stays. Hi! Giuseppe's closed. They're closed.
They're closed?
Yes, they will open at 2. Wait, can I show? Wait. So, this is where she stays. Let's just take a peek.
You want me to open it?
Kita naman eh.
Kita
Okay na to. So, how much are you paying
I paid like 6,700 only
for
for 4 nights.
4 nights? Wow.
Yes. It's a steal.
So you love it?
Yeah, I love it. This is the best accommodation I've ever been here on the
Oh.
island. What?
So, Tick says that, okay, I can have it repaired. But for how long? I mean, for how long will it be operational?
much?
And how much, diba?
You can have it repaired and then ibebenta mo. Kaya lang nakakakontrol.
Nakakahiya,
Oo,
oo.
di ba? But some other people do that.
I am not other people.
What?
Ah,
I'm special.
I'm a special, unique person. Ang hawa na ng vlog na to, kayo na po to. Sige na nga, bye! Yeah, so this one is, of course, green, green, green. Guys, this is green chicken curry with rice. What did you order? What's
I
this?
don't know the name eh.
What's the name of this? Huh?
Masaman beef curry.
Masaman beef curry.
Yan daw ang masarap na curry
Oh,
here.
so it's also
So,
curry.
alam mo na.
Okay, alam na natin. So I'm having chicken and she's having beef.
Grand curry. Sarap. Hindi ko yung sinasabing ko na ito na. Ito na ang oh, meron pa din.